What tips do you use?
Tips. Now, I definitely use audiobooks. I like like my sisters are big readers, so because I'm slower than them, I use audiobooks and I finish the book faster than them. So that actually helped me a lot. I use Grammarly for emails. So like my emails, I'll brag. My emails don't have spelling mistakes because of Grammarly, and they also don't have grammatical errors. And I use autocorrect like when typing. Yeah.
Be with a twin.
Having a twin makes everything better. Even if you're having a party and someone like bullied you in school because you couldn't spell the right thing or you couldn't read properly, like I'd always go to my twin in between the breaks and then just sit with her. Even if it wasn't talking, just sit with her and be like, oh, like she was my sense of peace. Like she was more like a corner that I could go to every time when I was feeling really low.
What's your biggest struggle with dyslexia?
Writing like proposals, applying for grants, because you need to write. You need to like make sure you're because like when you put an application and then it has like grammatical errors, or even like when you're sending out your CV and then it has grammatical errors, they will not even consider you. So some people are like they're very picky when it comes to like spelling and grammatical errors and things like that. So that has been a really big challenge.
And like K-drama?
K-drama. So I watch K-drama. And then if anyone watches K-drama, like there's the drama and then they have subtitles. So it's like metrics, like you need to read simultaneously. So like sometimes if it's not basic words, I look at the image, you can assume what they're saying. So you know. That's how I deal with these things.
What can you tell others with dyslexia?
It doesn't have to limit you. Whatever you want to do and whatever you want to be, go for it. Because there are so many people in this world who have dyslexia and they've made it. So it shouldn't stop you from doing anything. You need friends. You need group work. You can't do it alone. You can't learn on your own. You need friends. You need like a support.
So the book I would like to recommend to everyone, we would like to recommend is this one. It's called Dividend Goliath. So I read this book.
I listened to the audiobook.
Yeah. So this book is about David and Goliath, the biblical one. So it tries and modernizes those challenges that you might feel are Goliaths in your life. So in chapter 4, I was really keen with this book, really keen. So in chapter 4, he talks about dyslexia and how people with dyslexia are not limited, like you can be the potential that you want. And the chapter is called You Wouldn't Wish Dyslexia on Your Child, or Would You? So it's on page 99. If you can be able to download this book or buy it in textbook center or
Listen to the audiobook.
or listen to the audiobook, please read this book. It's really nice.
Yeah.
Chapter 4, it's on dyslexia. This is what we